Today we'll be making cactus incense. A yau za mu yi turaren Gabgab. This is also known as Costal Hindi, which refers to the root of the cactus speciosus or Salsoria costus plant. It is an aromatic medicinal herb that has been used for centuries. Like it has been used by our grandparents. And then Arabs use this. It is used in Ayurvedic hair oils, and then it is also used in prophetic medicine. The name Hindi is from India because the most prized variety originally comes from there. Like the one with the best quality comes from India. And then there are two types. There are two main types mentioned in traditional texts. We have cooked al Hindi, which is the Indian cactus, and then we have cooked costs al Bahari, which is the sea cactus. It is lighter in color and milder in scent, which is this one I'm using. Then the one that is darker, and then it is strong and it has a slightly bitter aroma. That is the Indian cactus. And then Islamically, uh, this is used in Islamic medicine. In a hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Use this Indian incense Al-Qust al-Hindi, for it contains 7 cures." It is in Sahih al-Bukhari. Because of this, it is highly valued in Tib and Nabawi for healing and purification. And then for spiritual and purification uses, it is burned as incense to clean spaces and then ward off negative energy or envy, ain. The smoke is also believed to bring tranquility and spiritual protection to the home. Then it is used to relieve cold, cough, and sinus issues by inhaling the smoke lightly. Then it is used to soothe body pain. Then it improves skin health, and then it is also strengthen hair roots. And then if you want to use this for these different purposes, then there are certain ways that you can use this cactus handy. Then for fragrance and incense making, when you mix this after like frying, you can soak this with your eau de cologne. Then you can fry this with your frankincense, which is also known as lupan. And then after frying, you add your sandalwood oil, and then you follow the process that I'm showing in this video to achieve the most amazing, long-lasting, earthy, heavily scented incense Turarenwuta for the home and then the body. This recipe, or this one, is a special recipe. I'm making this for this is the like Mejigo recipe. This recipe mostly I sell it to nursing mothers because in Maiduguri, this incense is mostly used by Mijigo, Masujigo, people that are nursing. It makes the room smell so nice. And then it's when they use it on their body, it's it helps to tighten the muscles of their body. Then it helps like make you just feel so good, or it makes you feel nice when you use this on your body. So that's just what this gives. It is amazing. It is one amazing wood used in incense making, and it's is underrated. I don't know why. Yeah, it's mostly underrated because a lot of people. I think it's because a lot of people don't know the importance of this wood. But inshallah, if I'm sharing my videos, I will be telling you guys the importance of these different woods used in making incense. I'm from this part of the world where Turarenwuta is used not only to make your home smell so good, or your clothes smell so nice, or your body smell so good. It is used for different purpose. We have Turarenwuta for nursing mothers. We have Turarenwuta when you have special guests. We have Turarenwuta when somebody is sick. We have Turarenwuta for brides only. We have Turarenwuta for mothers, we have Turarenwuta for children, we have different Turarenwutas. And while growing up, I've seen all these different types of Turarenwuta, and I've seen my mother make this different type of Turarenwuta. I've seen my grandmother use this different type of Turarenwuta for different purpose. And it is an amazing thing. Like, it's amazing, it's just so amazing. But now when you look at it, a lot of people don't know this, the importance of these different woods. So that's why I'm here to tell you guys this importance. That's why I'm here to share this amazing importance of these different woods we have. Most of this wood that you see Charuta vendors using, most of them have medicinal benefits, most of them have benefits to the home. And then let me tell you guys, yeah, Charuta, that when you use them, the smell of mold, yeah, will disappear if you have mold in your home. So, and guys, if you want to learn this dry water making, you want to learn the amazing act of dry water, you can just send me a DM. My number is on the screen. We have classes, and then our group class is 35,000 naira, while our one-on-one online coaching is send me a DM to know that, because we have different types of online classes. Yeah, the private class. We have the Humra only class. We have the Sharamucha only class. Just send me a DM, and then I'll tell you guys the different classes. And then if you want to create this amazing Gabgab, and then you want the ingredients, we can ship these ingredients to you wherever you are in the world, inshallah, to your doorstep. And then we have the Gabgab Turarenwuta too, available in limited quantity, because this one right here that I'm making, I've already sold 1 liter of this, and I made just a little. I like making my Turarenwuta in batches, like in small quantity, because I get the best out of it. I'll make in bulk, but making it in this type of quantity helps me share this amazing knowledge with you guys. But if I'm making in bulk, it's just so stressful and overwhelming that I do not even have time to pick up my phone and share. But you see the small badges, chef kiss, amazing. So this is our gabgab ready to be sold. I packed the gabgab in our 1 liter jar, and then I packed the remaining in my small jars to sell to my customers. It smells so good, it smells so amazing. All these ingredients I used in this video, inshallah, you can just screenshot that, and then if you want to order, don't forget to send a DM to the number on the screen. We can order. If you enjoy my video, please support me by liking this video. Just comment, just say something in the comment section, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. See you in my next one. Salamu alaikum. Bye.